Hello everyone, Jillian from A Jillian Vance Design here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be another super simple, easy to make card because I'm showing off a technique with my Create a Card series and I didn't want the actual card to overpower the technique. So that's why the card is so simple, but I will link posts below of our design team making different cards with this. So this is the Delightful Daisy Create a Card, which is what we're going to be using today. These are so fun. And I have just a piece of yellow cardstock and I folded it. And I'm going to place my die on top and then use some purple tape to secure it. And I dropped it. But what we want to do is leave a little sliver at the top above that fold so that it's not going to cut there, and so you actually get a full card instead of just one piece of paper. So, as I said, I'm using my purple tape. Alright, and so as you can see, there's just that little sliver on top. So now I'm going to cut it out with my Big Shot. And as you can see, now I have a full-fledged card. It's adorable, and it's so much fun. You can do this with all of the cards. The Create a Cards, we have an Easter egg, we have a cross, and then we have the daisy. So then I'm going to layer on top of it this little piece, and then I'm also using a small little circle that comes on the set. It's the medium-sized one. And I'm kind of just planning on how and where I want everything right now, but I'm using the medium-sized circle, and then I'm using the sentiment A Sweet Hello from our Delightful Sentiment stamp set with some, of course, Catherine Pooler ink in Orange Twist. So I'm just gonna tap lightly and then go ahead and stamp, and actually that stamp fits absolutely perfect on that circle. I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit, but it did. Which is perfect. So then I'm going to glue everything. I'm using my Just Glue It glue, which is available on our website. This stuff is so awesome. It doesn't clog. It sticks very well. It's just really nice, and it comes out so easily. So I'm going to place this where I want it. It kind of took a minute to get it all even. As you can see, it's a little bit wonky for a minute there. And you kind of just have to play around. It does fit perfectly inside of the bigger daisy. However, I messed things up a lot, so it took me a minute. And so then I'm going to just glue down that circle in the middle. And all the things I'm using, all the dies I'm using are from this Create a Card set. And I also put that on wrong because the fold isn't at the top where I did that, but I fixed it for the photos, so it's okay, guys. I just wanted to show you the card technique. And then I have this little ladybug, I couldn't think of the word, a little ladybug on there, and then you have a card. It's just so cute, and I just love this set so much. So as you can see, here's the card, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!